Hi, I'm Ashley Paduska, Appraisal Coordinator and an Associate Appraiser here at People's Company, back for a land values update to include March 2022 auctions and the end of Q1 2022. Auctions picked up in March, bringing 92 tracts to the Iowa market, up from February's 74 tracts. These 92 tracts totaled 9,859 acres and bringing a total price of over $114 million. The average dollar per gross acre was $12,183, with an average dollar per tillable acre of $14,642, bringing an average dollar per CSR2 of $189. This is up 15% from February 2022's average and up 11% from Q4 of 2021's average. Shown on the screen here is the map of the Iowa auctions that took place. Now, keep in mind that some of these auctions had several tracts. So the 92 tracts that sold occurred within a smaller amount of actual auctions that happened. As March wrapped up, so did Q1 of 2022. In Q1, we saw 234 tracts come to the market with over 25,000 acres. These tracts brought an average dollar per gross acre of $11,173, average dollar per tillable acre of $13,454, and an average dollar per CSR2 of $174. This is up 2% from Q4 of 2021 and up 26% from Q1 of 2021. So from 1 year ago, we're up 26%. People's Company keeps a running total of historical data for 5 years, and this quarter, as compared to Q1 of 2017, which was 5 years ago, the dollar per CSR2 is up 51%. Now let's take a look at our dollar per CSR2 chart for a visual. Now here is a visual of our dollar per CSR2 chart. As a reminder, the bar at the bottom represents the total number of tracts that sold at auction that quarter, and the blue line running across represents the average dollar per CSR2 point. So you can see in Q4 of 2021, there were 584 tracts that sold, bringing an average dollar per CSR2 of 170. Now, Q4 of 2021 was out of the ordinary for the rest of our historical data. You don't typically see a high volume of acres along with a high dollar per CSR2. Supply and demand would normally suggest that a low supply would create a high price, but Q4 of 2021 was the exception. Q1 of 2022 is a little bit more of what I would have expected to see, less supply overall on the market, and with a higher price, we did see an increase from Q4 of 2021 to Q1 of 2022. So we had less than half of the acres that sold this quarter as compared to last, and we had an increase in price, which was about what I expected to see. A lot of people would have thought that most of the sellers would have already sold with the high prices in Q4 with an uncertainty of what would happen next. So we had a drop in acres. However, we had more acres sell this quarter as compared to a year ago. Q1 of 2021, there were only 157 tracts that sold as compared to 234 tracts this quarter. Shown here is a map of the auctions that happened in all of Q1 of 2022. So you can see pretty widespread. There wasn't a really focus in one area. So overall, the land is still moving, less than what moved in Q4, but we're still seeing some land come to the market. It'll be interesting to see what happens going forward with the uncertainty in the world and politics, in the market overall. So please stay tuned to People's Company. We'll be providing regular updates. We provide weekly auction results, monthly, quarterly, and yearly land value updates.